are going to show you some old trucks that his dad's brother had a long time ago, huh?
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
And when did he have this one?
This is like 1927. I don't know.
Yeah,
what
this
it's
one
from.
was like
But
back
this
then.
is an old one. That I don't like that one.
Yeah, this one is pretty old.
Yeah, this
That car he bought, but it has nice rims. But in the front,
it
it's
doesn't
broken.
have an engine.
Yeah, it doesn't have an engine. And that truck
That
right
truck,
there.
I don't really like it because the rims.
Color they have. Oh yeah, and this truck.
This is my
They-
dad's truck.
Yeah, that's his dad's truck. This one they took apart to fix. He doesn't have all the parts. He bought it from
This is our car,
the car.
and we're gonna come over here.
This is the tires that they had a long time ago, and this is part of the car right here.
This is a old bus from like the 1903.
Yeah, and there used to be a plane here that someone had,
Yeah, when
and he didn't.
before this guy had it, and he had a plane, he would fly it.
Yeah, but he wasn't living here. But I already knew.
He was living.
Oh.
That house was
Over
not
there.
there, or that house was not there.
They built that house right there,
No,
and the house in front
we
of.
got that one for like $1 million. No, $1,000.
And that purple house over there, I lived there for 9 years already, so I could know if they had a plane, and it was a yes.
Yeah,
And they built all of this with my dad and his dad,
yeah,
because they're both
And-
friends.
and
Oh yeah, and that truck over there,
yeah.
the white.
Go closer to it.
That white truck was very old. It was made a long time
It
ago.
was like 1925, I
Hmm.
guess. And it's our car
Yeah.
from our family. It's my nana's boyfriend
Car.
car.
And this is the
We're gonna go on a secret hideout. Come on.
and this is their grandma's RV that she bought. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to end this. Do I end it? Okay,
Yeah, we're not gonna do
okay. We have to hide now.
We didn't show you guys
Ah.
our secret hideout.
Yep, we did not show you. And this is our favorite hiding spot because no one could see us right here if we're hiding from his sister.
Yeah. I'm gonna go see if my sister.
Yeah, there's little holes over here, so we have to be very quiet there. Okay, this is the little hole.
And so the Dodge
The
and
Dodge.
the blanket.
Oh, yeah. Guys, we are gonna show you a Dodge and a very cool truck. Right there. Those.
Yeah, this is our bikes. They're not really cool.
This is a Dodge right here. This is the Dodge.
And
This big old blue thing
this
is a truck.
a
Chevy.
Flavor.
Yeah. His brother's dad had traded it for a.
Boat and a Escalade. I don't know why he did that.
I know the Escalator was way better.
I know it had like 229